I'm in the process of installing these sled protectors on my ice fishing sled. I think they're actually designed for traditional type sleds, but I thought they'd work great on my ice fishing sled. My bottom's starting to get worn, and I thought I could attach them to the bottom. And I got the first one done, and I think it's going to actually work really, really well. It fastens through the bottom of the sled fine, and as you can see that my bottom is getting quite worn, so I will continue to install these, even though it's a little bit off season yet. And we'll be ready to go here in another month or two for ice fishing.
Does that do?